After age 50, your body starts changing in ways you can't always see. Slower metabolism, reduced muscle mass, lower bone density, and a higher risk of stiffness, pain, and chronic disease. But here's the beautiful truth. The right exercises can reverse most of these changes. You can rebuild strength, improve balance, boost your heart health, protect your joints, and stay independent for decades. Today, we're diving deep into 10 of the safest, most effective, and science-backed exercises for people over 50, with variations, tips, and step-by-step guidance. Let's begin. 1. Brisk walking, the ultimate low-impact superpower. Walking may look simple, but it's one of the most powerful longevity habits. Research shows walking improves heart health, lowers blood pressure, strengthens legs, improves digestion, boosts mood and sleep, reduces risk of stroke, enhances brain function, and helps maintain a healthy weight. People who walk 8,000 to 10,000 steps a day have dramatically lower rates of chronic disease. Why walking is perfect. After 50, walking activates nearly every muscle in the lower body while keeping stress off the joints. It also improves circulation, supports lung health, and boosts metabolism. How to get started. 10 minutes after each meal, 30 minutes of steady walking. Walking pad during TV or calls outdoor walks for vitamin D. For more time, add these segments. Differences between morning versus evening walks. Why walking reduces knee pain, not increases it. How walking improves brain health and memory. How walking helps seniors reduce fall risk by improving stride length. Walking is medicine, and it's free. 2. Squats or chair squats, essential for daily movement. Squats are the foundation of independence after 50. You use squat movements for getting out of bed, sitting, climbing stairs, picking up objects, getting out of a car. Benefits: strengthens quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Improves balance, reduces fall. Risk: protects knees, improves lower body mobility. How to start chair version. Stand in front of a chair. Sit down slowly, stand back up. Keep knees slightly outward, chest open, back straight. Progression: wall squats. Body weight full squats. Squats with light dumbbells. Single leg squats, advanced. Important tips: never let your knees collapse inward. Keep weight in your heels. Breathe out as you stand. Add 3 to 4 minutes discussing knee safety. Most knee pain comes from weak quads or tight hips, and squats. Fix both. 3. Resistance training. The key to reversing aging. After 50, your muscle mass naturally declines, a condition called sarcopenia. Resistance training is the #1 solution. Benefits: boosts metabolism, even at rest. Increases strength. Prevents frailty, strengthens bones, improves posture supports, joint stability controls, blood sugar enhances confidence. How to start. Dumbbells, 1 to 3 kilograms for beginners. Resistance bands. Water bottles if no equipment. Train 2 to 3 times a week, targeting arms, legs, back, shoulders, core. Sample routine: bicep curls, tricep extensions, shoulder presses, band rows, leg extensions with bands. Safety tips: move slowly. Avoid jerking, start light strength before speed. Resistance training is your shield against aging. 4. Yoga, flexibility, calm, and pain relief. Yoga keeps your body supple and your mind centered. Benefits: increases flexibility, reduces stiffness, improves balance, strengthens joints, eases back and knee pain, reduces stress, improves lung function. Best styles for 50 plus. Hatha yoga. Yin yoga, restorative yoga chair. Yoga for limited mobility. Key poses: cat-cow for spine. Downward dog, optional, child's pose. Warrior 2, supine twist. Mini segment: how yoga improves longevity. Yoga reduces cortisol, inflammation, and blood pressure. All major aging accelerators. 5. Swimming or water. Aerobics: zero impact, maximum benefit. This is one of the best exercises for people with arthritis, hip or knee problems. Back pain, overweight, limited mobility. Benefits: zero impact on joints, strengthens full body, improves lung capacity, burns calories efficiently, reduces swelling and inflammation. Options: swimming laps, aqua jogging. Water dumbbells group water classes. Why water is a miracle. Water provides resistance without pressure, meaning you train muscles while protecting your joints. 6. Pilates, core strength and posture. Correction: Pilates focuses on slow, controlled movements and deep core engagement. Benefit: strengthens core muscles, improves posture, reduces back pain, enhances spinal alignment, improves balance, prevents falls. Beginner-friendly moves: leg lifts, pelvic tilts, hundreds, modified, bird dog, glute bridges. Why it's powerful. After 50, a strong core protects your back, supports mobility, and prevents spine-related issues. 7. Cycling, safe cardio. That's gentle on knees. Cycling strengthens the lower body without pounding your joints. Benefit: strengthens legs and glutes, improves heart health. Supports fat loss, improves endurance, safe for arthritis. Best option: stationary bike, recumbent bike. Great for back issues. Outdoor cycling. Safety notes: adjust seat height, keep knees aligned, start with 10 to 15 minutes. Cycling gives cardio benefits without impact. Ideal after 50. 8. Tai Chi, balance, coordination, and mental clarity. Often called meditation in motion, Tai Chi is one of the most recommended exercises for older adults. Benefits: incredibly improves balance, reduces fall, risk: strengthens legs, improves breathing supports, joint health, calms the mind. Why it's perfect for seniors. Studies show Tai Chi lowers falling risk by up to 50%, making it one of the best longevity tools. Practice tips: start with 10 to 15 minutes daily. Follow a video or join a group class. 9. Planks, core strength without strain. Planks build total core strength without stressing your spine. Benefit: strengthens abs and back, improves posture, reduces lower back pain, enhances stability, improves daily movement. Variations: wall plank, knee plank, full plank, side plank, elevated plank. Start with 10 to 20 seconds. Increase gradually. 10. Stretching and mobility, your key to youthful movement. Mobility is the foundation of pain-free living. Benefits: reduces stiffness, improves flexibility, eases muscle tension, supports joint health, improves blood flow, enhances sleep quality. Areas to focus on: hamstrings, hips, calves, shoulders, thoracic, spine. Routine example: 10 minutes, 2 minutes. Hamstrings, 2 minutes. Hips, 2 minutes. Chest, shoulders, 2 minutes. Spine twist, 2 minutes. Calves. Mobility brings youth back into your body. Age is not the problem, lack of movement is. Your body after 50 is still capable of strength, balance, flexibility, and energy. It just needs the right habits. Start slow. Be consistent. Choose exercises you enjoy. You're not too old, you're just getting started. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe. Turn on notifications and comment below. Which exercise will you start with today?